Why you think I'm in this wearing a yarmulke? I said I'm like the rain.
Search and destroy. Plant a charge on the target and level it. You've secured the device.
Yep.
How, bro? How are people still dying to that?
We're planting at Alpha.
Beats me.
Device in place. Countdown started.
One bomb. Bomb weak. Other one's behind us. Other one's junk.
He's bus. He's going in soda.
You won that round. Get ready for the next one.
Like I never died.
Thanks for the
to
good
that
vibes.
shit, bro.
Yes,
Like,
I appreciate you.
Oh, how?
Switching sides.
No, I'm not top 250. That's the goal. That's the goal of today's stream, but
Search
we're
and
losing it.
destroy.
I got A. Y'all let them be.
Defensive perimeter around the objectives.
I got A. I have A.
One hurt mid, bro.
I'm just climbing to top fountain on you.
Careful. Area's hot.
Barrel cut.
Okay.
1 minute remaining.
One's in church, barrel cut, and then,
Yeah, sorry.
and then
Finish the mission. You planted at Bravo.
Oh, you saw you. Oh.
We lost that round. Prepare for the next one.
It's from the event camo from last
You
season.
almost had it.
I was so trapped there.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
Alright, y'all bring it B. Bring the bomb to B.
Target objectives need to be detonated. Play it smart.
Native one top yellow. Okay. You just shot me in the back.
Yeah, 'cause you're literally hitting my way. What do you mean?
You're hitting my route.
Finish the mission.
What?
Final minute. The round is lost. Focus on the next one.
What's up, Irish? No, I just took a couple days off, so I dropped out of top 250.
Switching sides.
Any other meta SMGs? Closest is gonna be Striker 9.
You and your big head.
No, I have to finish top 250 to get the top 250
I
symbol.
know you ain't talking now.
I'm talking about you today.
My bad. Have you not looked in the mirror?
Yes. Cause I took a shower unlike you.
You don't take showers.
Stink.
You smell like bootio.
Our bottom market doors are open.
Fuck.
1 minute remaining.
They're both in their spawn. One's
Okay.
close right. Close right, Zombie. Yeah, in there. He's literally in there.
Yeah, they're back bin J. Back bin J.
Go to the left side.
Can he dating you? Last one's still back right.
Literally, we have all the cuts.
30 seconds remain.
Literally, he's just sitting back there. He's still
What is the play there, man?
On to the next.
What is the play? Bandwave probably will go live, yeah, closer to when the season ends. What's up, Alpon? How you doing? It's been a minute.
These kids are not moving their spawn. They like what?
Leave your spawn.
Destroy.
Their spawn. Got my name top yellow on me, Zabi.
Oh, I'm not nading top yellow. I'm hitting barrel cut.
Target and level it.
Oh, fuck the barrel cut.
I'm lagging. My ping is over 100. Her church.
Who?
In market, heard in market.
Marcus dead.
Final minute.
One bus stop and then one top satellite. That's two.
Okay, this little ladder.
Kill him.
Let's kill this bus stop.
Okay.
At this bomb, fellas. Top trip ACs.
Took a seat, drop down a mid. Is that nice? Woodle, they've been 27 months. How you been, Woodle?
I'm a scuba diver. They call me
Thank you,
Scuba
Woodle.
Steve.
Appreciate you. What's left for top 250? Probably like 600, 700 now. So we lost the first couple games. We shouldn't. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I was unmuted.
Destroy.
Yeah, we have a while to go.
Well, I'm mute now.
I was just ranting about how Savi sucks.
Around the objectives.
I think Mo's joining us, Alpon. But if we need one, I'll let you know.
Two mid. That's probably gonna be church. That's probably gonna be church.
1 minute remaining.
Fire. Some.
Estefan is taking my heart. Yeah, I feel like it's either won people over or they don't like it. There's not really much like in between.
Woodle play extra fine. Woodle.
Huh?
Woodle play extra.
Yeah, a lot of people are loving X-Defiant. It's not really for me. I don't know why. It doesn't scratch my itch.
Target objectives need to be detonated. Play it smart. Got the bomb.
Y'all are all niggers.
What the?
What the hell? All right, we're going to my Discord. Sorry about that, guys. It's definitely not at all something that we support. Holy cow. Sabi needs to clear out his Discord because that is some craziness. I'm so sorry y'all had to hear that. Sabi, it might be time we give like special
Yeah.
perms in your Discord.
Might be time.
Setting device on Alpha.
One shot top church, bro.
30 seconds left. Bomb planted. Set containment.
Phone's good. Is that door shut? He's close ticket on me. Nice, nice.
Ready for the next one.
Little 4v2 or 2v4 action. Well, that goes that. Somebody joined Savi's Discord and was just talking crazy. Somebody that just wants to watch the world burn.
Inside.
People are out of pocket.
Search and destroy.
I mean, it's a public Discord, so technically anybody could join on any account they want. But
Defend the objectives from hostile forces.
let's top fire.
Over.
Wait, his arches as well.
What the? Chicken.
Chicken heavy.
1 minute remaining.
One was low arches and one was top fire.
One broke top church door, or the bottom church. One's top satellite. Top satellite.
Okay.
We lost that round. Prepare for the next one.
But not like that.
Inside. Search and destroy. Plant a charge on the target and level it. You've
No way I
secured
get
the
another nade kill right there, right? Oh, he's weak.
This way.
We're
I'm gonna plant.
planting at Alpha.
Okay. Okay.
Device in place, countdown.
Oh, last guy's ticket. Last guy's ticket. Salvia watch definitely not. Nice. Mo with that prime. Thank you for the 36 months. Thank you for the 36 months. Bang is correct. Bang. Bang is correct. Thank you, Mo. Okay, Salty.